Today's video covers why AMC is cheap, how it may be worth $900 billion, Citadel selling to pay, and more. First, look at this. Quadrata Capital increased their AMC, holding 261%. Institutionally calm load, yet some scream dead stock. Another company's AMC holdings are rising again. Recent ownership increases have been large. The contrast is 261.45%. Several other firms have bought AMC shares by more than 100%. As with UBS and other firms, these are usually worth millions or tens of millions of shares. A crucial reason exists. It comes down to AMC's price. Robert Citrin says AMC is too cheap right now. Like we mentioned, Robert Citrin is part of Discovery Capital. This shows that more individuals see AMC's potential. We said AMC will return a lot even without the squeezing price. The stock should be valuable. Real price discovery in a fair market can push AMC into the thousands. Not because of the squeeze, but because of volume, momentum, and mood. Even though AMC is currently $120, you can compare it to its competitors, fundamentals, and predicted future. You can see how AMC can quickly make tens or twenties of thousands of dollars with no money down. Companies want to buy AMC now because they can profit from it. On a fair market, a company's market cap and earnings prospects are connected. AMC is too cheap, but Robert Citrin is worth talking about. Its market cap is similar to December 20th, following 9 months of COVID-19 lockdown. The market cap of AMC is similar to when it was completely locked down. That's why we know it's ridiculous. AMC was worth this much even though it shouldn't have been in business and needed loans to survive. You discuss AMC's current state, investments, reorganizations, and process improvements. Even a simple comparison merely illustrates what's happening behind the scenes. It shows where AMC should be and where not to be. We've already mentioned how many people realize this and why the head of an institution should talk about how undervalued AMC is. Not what these news headlines say about avoiding AMC. It shows what's happening behind the scenes. Michael Burr even stated his target for GME's market cap, $1 trillion. We discussed where AMC and GME may be and how to speed them up. Knowing the money behind it, we discussed how this is possible. AMC's market cap is 900 billion yen, or $1,751 per share, after MOAs, I suppose. AMC has $2 trillion in secret liquidity and swaps to unwind after 5 years. The unwinding would leave AMC with a lot of cash. Thus, it makes logical to discuss its positions when discussing everything going on. We started this video by discussing AMC's low prices. This is only the fundamentals and lockdown similarities. We know AMC is undervalued. We know the AMC will rise. You should also know about another major reason AMC is so inexpensive right now. Not only do folks not realize AMC is cheap and we're not priced in, trickery has made AMC worth what it is. Swaps, tokens, FTDs, choices, and everything else we've discussed are buried behind these maneuvers. It can reach trillions, if not hundreds of billions. Lots of money. We've seen this with other companies. We discussed banks' derivative positions and why trillions of AMC and GME positions are easy to get. As said, these dangerous AMC and GME swaps precipitated Credit Suisse's bankruptcy. UBS is struggling after taking over these investments. Having had to raise capital to meet margin requirements and by almost 20 million, AMC shares to battle the SOS. This also explains AMC's likely $900 billion market value. A $1 billion capital raise involves UBS and others. Griffin founded Citadel hedge fund manager. Citadel sold $1 billion in high-grade notes to pay owners. We know that Citadel, the famous corporation that talks about big earnings, sells bonds to pay investors. This is noteworthy because they've made tens of billions, yet can't leave and must issue bonds to pay off their debts. The paragraph then describes what's happening, including Stud's recent rise in AMC. This study doesn't want to be released. Healthy hedge funds behave differently. Companies in distress handle cash shortages this way. What short or low positions prevent a $67 billion fund from making $2.25 billion in 13 months? Zero outlets released analysts who couldn't understand why the $67 billion fund needed B-rated public bonds for owner dividends. The news was generally unfavorable when GameStop released a $4.2 billion convertible note with 0% interest in 2025. Citadel does it. But no one notices or discusses its importance. Citadel needs to sell these products to make money. Now, we know they're broke. It goes farther because if they're short on cash or positions, their positions are too short to raise cash. Which jobs are bad? It could be hundreds of billions of bogus AMC shares. These false shorts that are designed to make them money, but can't cover. Now we see this. They can't repay backers. We explained how shorts were never covered and why they need us to sell our shares to escape. The OBV displays no sales. We have the same AMC plan. The OBV has been presented, but this with Citadel's actions clearly indicate what's going on. Them ads show that behind the scenes, things aren't as good as these hedge funds are making it look. Next, consider the AMC price. We discussed manipulation and price action. We found that VOP is often the goal in algo trading, not merely an indicator. We discussed their ATS-driven price reduction efforts. We're viewing this. As we continue our basic analysis, an exhaustion gap to 113 and a V-bottom would be a great Monday start. Combine the 11,318 zone on March 3rd and 6th, then launch. Now we're seeing this. We've always advised against AMC trend analysis. Technical analysis has helped traders like me make a living. AMC is so rigged that we can't understand the basic analysis and price behavior. While we're talking, let me state something I believe in. When you hold something up and the energy builds up, it will inevitably explode in a big way. The $67 billion AMC fund can't make $2.25 billion in cash. That demonstrates how much they paid to stop AMC. They will release a lot of energy when they can no longer hold it in. This is why we predicted a $900 billion AMC market valuation. We believe it will easily reach $17,000 per share. This must also be understood. Absolutely risk-free. Stock and hedge fund investors would have taken AMC to 99 cents or $0 years ago if they could. Thus, we understand why they have always opposed AMC. From the start, they wanted to end AMC. They cannot do this since it is difficult and they lack the funds. They've spent a lot and are struggling. We're also looking at AMC's story on Warner Brothers. Most important moves while closed. We discussed the linkage, thus this is significant. We discussed how this impacts company and how it indicates what we're witnessing now and what we expect to happen will grow. You can also see that AMC stock movements during the day are intentional, rising 15 to 25%. This is VWAP and algo trading standard. I responded, absolutely. Technical analysis works on practically anything else because of what we discussed previously. However, AMC, the stock with 80% dark pool and 90% dark pool, illustrates that this can't explain what's occurring, because they're paying hundreds of billions of dollars to keep this billion-dollar stock down. Importantly, most Netflix insiders we've talked to sold Coco as directors, CFOs, or kohrs. Since no one is talking about this much, we stated people aren't talking about it enough. People are purchasing AMC and selling Netflix inside. This is where the money is flowing, which is consistent with how people are appreciating our business's opportunity. Another possibility is the spark for GME, which we've discussed and are closely monitoring. Last week, institutional investors sold about $8 billion in stocks, which signaled their purchase of AMC. This is the second largest transaction ever, and we're still seeing AMC buyers' filings, proving that people see the company's future. Talk about something else. What if officials force banks to hide short positions? Since then, naked short selling has been strictly prohibited in South Korea. Their blend shows a big increase. They took strong measures to stop naked short sales. It also claims negative short selling hurts the market. It's really harmful and doesn't change based on market sentiment. It makes some people and groups happy and fuels their greed. Crypto has lost $4 billion in the last month. Now you know why everyone's terrified. Despite this, individuals still enter AMC. AMC projection and safe haven discussion follow. Also intriguing is silver miners' claim that the commodity is holding up nicely. Silver stock reduces 3.36 million ounces to 88.79 million due to supply shortages. That high growth requires 55% material resource growth, or over 500 million silver ounces.